Is your iPhone showing a voicemail unavailable error when you need your messages the most? Don't worry, in this guide, I will walk you through simple steps to fix the voicemail issue on your iPhone. Let's get started. Solution 1. Change your region. Open the Settings application. Then go to General. After that, tap Language and Region. Now hit Region. Then choose any of the United States, the United Kingdom, or Canada. Solution 2. Give a force restart to your iPhone. First, tap the volume up button. Then, tap the volume down button quickly. Right after that, press and hold the power button. Then, slide the power icon to shut down. Solution 3. Check for the latest iOS updates. Open the Settings app. Go to General, then tap on Software Updates. Now, check and install any available updates. And ensure your iPhone is charged at least 50% or more while updating. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Go to the Settings app. Then tap General. Scroll down. Now, select Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap on the Reset option. Then hit the Reset Network Settings. Now, enter your iPhone lock screen passcode if prompted. Finally, click on Reset Network Setting again. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you fix the voicemail error on your iPhone. If it was useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Feel free to drop any questions in the comments. See you in the next video.